come back from my Back to Business Babies group, and this is what we did. I got some of these laminated cards. On the one side, it's my business card, so they know how to contact me anytime. And on the other side, I have the agenda for today. So we had an hour and we had lots of talking. And we had some ladies with prams and some people without. Some people had babies in slings, and others had managed to get their kids to stay at kindergarten. So that was great. So what I gave each one of them, they got their own little, you can't read that. It says, let the adventure begin. And when you open it up, they have their little agenda for the day. So they can go back and refer to that at the end of the session. Hopefully some of them will be at home now, having a little chance to think things through. So today we talked about planning your back to business baby journey. When you've been at home with a family for 2, 3, 4 years, then it's kind of feeling a little bit weird to go back to work. On the one side, you're really excited about it. On the other hand, it's like, oh, I hope I'm up to things. Will I know the software? Will I know people? Will they know me? You know, so there's lots of this kind of head chunks going on, you know, all this rubbish that we talk to ourselves about. So the idea is to get lots of women together, and I wish I'd had this when I was younger, when I was starting a family, to meet other like-minded women who had their own business or their own career, and they wanted, or they were determined to come back, not just as a working mum, but as a professional in their own right. And that's what we're trying to make happen. There are 3 events. We're going to meet in Tiergarten. We met in Tiergarten today. The other 2 are at different locations. And the reason is we learn more if we're going to different places, if we're experiencing different things. So as we walk and talk, we will have a chance to really get to grips with these things and give us a chance to, you know, really have a think about what matters. So if this sounds interesting for you, or you know somebody who would be interested in getting back to work and just being able to hit the ground running just that little bit faster, then get her to join us. Go on to Meetup and you will find a group called Back to Business Baby, and there I have 3 events scheduled. The first is actually gone. We did that today, but there are two left. There are two left. And they're both happening before the kindergartens kick in time for the start. And so if you would like to join us, that would be absolutely fabulous. Let the adventure begin.